rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are back with Seerah series. In today's episode, we are going to discuss the rebuilding of the Kaaba and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's role as an arbitrator. There was a need to make Kaaba more secure and to repair it, as the structure had been damaged because of recurrent floods. It was decided to demolish it and to rebuild it a new roofed structure. It was decided to place a door at a higher spot for further security. Each tribe contributed and helped to build the structure, as it was a huge honor for everyone. When the structure was erected and the time to place Hajarul Aswad in its spot came, a dispute arrived. Every tribe wanted to have the great honor of placing Hajarul Aswad. They could not reach an argument even after several discussions. The dispute grew into a storm. The other tribes followed suit, and the entire Makkah was about to erupt in a bloody battle. Finally, it was decided that the first person to enter the gate the next morning would be the one to lift and fix the stone. It was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who was the first to enter the next morning. The moment he entered, all the tribal seniors cried out, "Here is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the most trustworthy and the truthful." The first to come through this gate was the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This was 5 years before his mission. He put the black stone in the middle of a piece of cloth and asked a representative of each tribe to hold one of the edges of the cloth and raise it to the close to its place. Then the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam picked it up with his own noble hands and restored it to its original place. This was how the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam prevented a war from breaking out among the Quraysh by a supreme demonstration of wisdom. Hadith relating to Hajrul Aswad. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The black stone came down from paradise." It was narrated that Ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala an said, "The Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, when the black stone, that is Hajrul Aswad, came down from the paradise, it was whiter than milk, but the sins of the son of Adam made it black." Rawahu Ahmad.